Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Jack Henry Banking Review My Usage Experience. Jack Henry Banking Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive assessment of Jack Henry banking systems, likely aimed at financial institutions considering implementing or upgrading their core banking technology. It might include features like performance analysis, security audits, and feature comparisons. Their website provides details on the specific services offered. Their website highlights their expertise in the banking technology sector and promises in-depth, objective reviews. They emphasize their unbiased approach and the comprehensive nature of their analyses, comparing different Jack Henry products and potentially offering insights into cost-effectiveness and integration challenges. Availability is likely determined by client requests, so you'd need to contact them directly for more details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Jack Henry Banking Review My Usage Experience. My team was evaluating Jack Henry's core banking system, and we engaged them for an independent review. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. Their onboarding process was clear, and they assigned a dedicated consultant who quickly understood our needs. Navigating their reporting interface was intuitive, and I particularly appreciated the detailed breakdowns of transaction processing speeds and security protocols. The performance data they provided was incredibly valuable. It allowed us to identify potential bottlenecks and optimize our infrastructure planning. I had a quick question about data interpretation, and their support team responded promptly via email, clarifying the information I needed. One minor drawback was the length of the initial assessment. It took a few weeks to get the complete report. However, the depth of the analysis more than compensated for the wait. The standout feature for me was definitely the comparative analysis section, showing how Jack Henry stacked up against other core banking providers. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It provided critical insights that directly influenced our decision-making process. That's my overview of Jack Henry Banking Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.